We have the integral of x squared sine x dx, and this is a clear product in the integral, so that indicates to me that this is an integration by parts problem. We'll start by letting u equal x squared. The derivative of u in that case is 2x. dv here is sine x, and when we integrate that, we get v equaling to negative cosine x. And because this is integration by parts, we'll go across the top and then down and over. So we'll start by using negative x squared cosine x minus the integral. This is a negative and we have a 2 here, so we'll change this to positive 2 times x cosine x dx. And we have another product here of x cosine x. So this will be another integration by parts sequence. We'll let u equal x du, now of course becomes dx. dv in this case is cosine x. Integrating to get v, we get sine x. And again, integration by parts will go across the top and over and down. So then we get negative x squared cosine x plus 2 times, because we're multiplying this 2 here, times x sine x minus the integral of sine x dx. And now, to solve this, we just need to solve this integral here. We've got negative x squared cosine x plus 2 times x sine x minus the integral of sine, which is negative cosine, so we can change this to a positive cosine x. And because we're dealing with integrals with no bounds, this is an indefinite integral, we must add a constant at the end. Now we just need to distribute this 2, and we'll be done. So we've got negative x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x plus 2 cosine x plus c. And that is the solution to our integral. If you have any questions, or if you have any other calculus or physics problems you want me to try, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.